Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a trip to that stunning Dunnottar castle in Scotland. It has a long, fascinating history. It is located in the northeastern part of the Scotland, near Stonehaven. If you are coming from Aberdeen, it is a drive of about 30 minutes. From Edinburgh, it's a slightly longer journey around 2 hours. The drive is incredibly scenic and enjoyable. There is a small waterfall hidden along the way. The cliffs are quite steep. This historic castle sits dramatically on a 160-foot cliff overlooking the North Sea. Built by the powerful Earls Marischal, it was once an unbreakable fortress. Now it is just a ruin. The entry cost for this is somewhere around £11.5. However, there is a concession for students and seniors and children. We always have to check the weather before we go, as the Scottish weather can be unpredictable. The tickets can be purchased either on arrival at the castle ticket kiosk or in advance online. The rock used to build this castle is incredibly old. It is estimated to be around 440 million years old. University of Aberdeen archaeologists have found evidence of a timber Pictish fort on the sea stack near the castle, making it one of the oldest known Pictish settlements. The name Dun itself is Pictish for fort, and the site likely dates back between 5000 BC and 700 AD. 900 AD, King Donald II of Scotland is killed at Dunnottar by invading Viking force which went on to destroy the buildings here. This place played a strategic role in the struggle of Scottish independence from English rule. In 12th century, William Wallace, the iconic Scottish hero, captured the castle from English forces, demonstrating its importance as a military stronghold. In 1600s, to escape Cromwell's army, the Scottish crown jewels were smuggled into Dunnottar castles for safekeeping. Cromwell's forces besieged the castle for 8 months, but the jewels were secretly removed and later recovered, ensuring the survival of these important national symbols. After the Earl Marischal was exiled for treason, the castle was neglected and fell into disrepair. Like many ancient castles, This castle is also associated with a lot of ghost stories. Let me know if you can find the green lady when you go there. During King Charles II's rule, over 167 people who opposed his religious policies were imprisoned in the Vicks vault over here. Many of them died sadly to terrible conditions. The castle suffered significant damage and decay over time by people and nature. We had a small scavenger hunt in the castle. We found 3 of it. To end the English rule here, William Wallace used this secret entrance to go inside the castle along with his untrained army and slaughtered the English people from here and got Scottish people freedom in 12th century. Now it is just a small wishing well. Dunnottar Castle is a truly magical place. It's a reminder of Scottish rich history and the incredible power of nature. Thanks for watching. Don't miss this incredible place if you're in Scotland.